ring blade rising. You'll notice the kids will use the mallets, and they'll also use a technique called shaking, where they're just going after it up there. I'm sorry it takes so long for us to change in between, but we are ringing anywhere from 3 to 5 octaves of bells, which if you're on a piano, that's a pretty good expanse. A lot of groups our size and our age will ring at the most 3 octaves, but we ring all the way up to 5 octaves at times. So it's a real accomplishment for the young groups. And we're known as Sounds of the Soul.